What's going on, guys? Today I got a little product review. I got this on eBay, or actually it might have been Amazon. They gave me two of these AirPod cases for like $7.99, I think. But it is definitely worth it because I was dropping my AirPods all the time. As you can see, there's like scratches and dents. I don't even know how this thing still works because like I probably dropped this like every day straight for like 3 or 4 months, and I don't know, this thing just like has been through a lot. You could tell like it's dirty as shit. But these AirPods hold up, and for real, I accidentally let this go through the washing machine and it still works. I was like, what? I would have thought it would have broke after being in the washing machine, but that just goes to show it's kind of quality product. But yeah, so it just slides right in there. This little piece goes into the charger port and this closes up around it. Let me get it on there all the way. But yeah, this thing is going to make it last longer. I'm surprised it still works at all, but this should help it last maybe another 6 months, or I don't know. I'm pretty rough with like everything I buy accidentally, but yeah, you guys should definitely grab a case off of Amazon or eBay because these things are the shit. And yeah, if y'all could do me a big favor and thumbs up this video, it would be much appreciated. I'm trying to get to 1,000 subscribers. Right now I'm at like 400 something. So if y'all could subscribe, that would really make a world of a difference with me trying to get this YouTube channel off the ground. It's a slow process, so yeah, just leave me a comment if you want me to subscribe back to you, and I got you. But yeah, good looking out. Thanks for checking out my video, and I'll catch y'all next time. Peace.